Welcome to BotSplash TV. I'm Willa Mosic, and today we'll be looking at scheduling tools that help with scheduling social media posts and emails to be sent out in the future. It's nice to note that there are ways to schedule out written posts and emails to be sent out at later times. LinkedIn recently beta tested their own scheduling feature. Besides their blue post button, a clock icon would allow users to select it to schedule out their post to be sent out at a later time. Gmail too allows its users to schedule out their emails by clicking on the More Tools icon and selecting either Google's suggested times for future time slots or creating their own scheduled time. Scheduling features are a huge part of the BotSplash platform. Users can schedule out multiple text messages to be sent out in the future, not only taking into account people's different time zones, but also allowing that scheduled message to be automatically canceled if the user hears back from their lead before the scheduled message is set to go out. Scheduling features are really helpful for communications. So let us know in the comments below what scheduling tools and features you like to use and use most often. I'm Willa Mosic, and once again, thank you for watching BotSplash TV.